This is the last meeting of the semester. No. I don't know, it might just be Allison decides not to have any meetings.
Sorry guys, no more after club.
First next president of
So, the result of the poll that 10-ish people took is that the best meeting time for next semester is 4 to 5 p.m. on Monday. So that's when that's happening. Just a quick reminder, today at 6 p.m. If you want to play Capture the Flag, campus-wide, meet at Old Main, and we'll be with SEDS, who some of you are familiar with. They're students for the exploration and development of space. They do cool stuff. There's no radio project meeting this week, and if you have a Windows computer, make sure and talk to Kevin. So we have elections today. We're supposed to have elections, but we have everyone running unopposed. So it's official. Does anyone want to have elections?
I'll run for webmaster.
You run for webmaster?
I've heard your stories.
Yeah.
We nominate these random people.
We can, Kevin, do you have the form set up to have a writing candidate?
Nominations from the
So we
floor.
gotta go to the welfare.
If anybody's opposed to any of these officers, speak now or forever hold your peace.
I nominate Kane as our public relations.
I'll give you the pin.
Let's just make it a title called Ancient One, make Kevin it until someone else comes around.
We can name it Old Fogey.
Let's just say
Okay.
Would you rather have secretary? I don't care.
If you want to trade, maybe we could just have some like dual action, like secretary, treasurer.
No, not allowed.
I demand, based on the Constitution that I wrote, that you do a lightsaber duel.
All right, give me a lightsaber.
There's one in the office.
There is.
So then you guys are gonna have to fight over who gets the
mine's
lightsaber,
at
and then you get out.
My awesome purple Mace Windu lightsabers at home.
Would anyone be devastated if they like switched in a month?
Yes.
Have to see
Nobody cares what you think.
Have to see how they like it.
Later.
Cool.
I don't care.
Well, just like if they
Okay.
Could we could have both of you run for both positions and have people vote.
Oh,
What
that's a
if
good
one
idea.
person, what if one person gets both positions?
Yeah.
I could set up that
Thank you.
right now.
Wait, rig the voting or?
Just decide
Well, we
amongst
could-
yourselves
You can do
later.
that. It's probably.
Alright.
It sounds like that's what you want to do.
We'll be like discussing this in the middle of footloose.
Random flailing.
Sabino Canyon. Thank you, Kevin. Just because we're on winter break in January doesn't mean that there are people at Sabino Canyon. So, Allison's first order of business is to pass around a sign-up sheet for Sabino Canyon. That is January 7th,
Yes.
Kevin says.
Secretary's delegate, people.
Well, we don't know who the secretary is yet.
Who's going to be here on January 7th?
Wait,
I'll be
are we
in
gonna
mine.
do AAS?
Yeah.
Wait, yeah,
Oh.
Not everybody's going to be at AAS.
Oh,
But
but
anybody
anybody
who's
who's going to AAS will be there.
By that
Yes.
time.
Gone by then.
Is there
Yeah.
anybody here that can be here December or January 7th? Okay.
Okay.
Blythe, we'll talk to you later. Okay. We'll figure something out.
Yes. Okay. So we'll talk about that later. Also, I didn't put this up here, but we got $1,000 from ASUA to do
Stuff.
AAS stuff, so it's cool.
Also, we have a radio project meeting next week
Oh yeah.
on Thursday at the normal time.
So that's all I have. Don has a question that we can do if you want, but So, does anyone want to talk about the other question that we didn't talk about last week? You guys don't know what I'm talking about. It
I'm
was.
helping you with your homework next semester.
Future president.
That's why I'm telling you to pay attention. As future president, you should pay attention.
I think Mandy
I
should
don't-
be
Are we
vice
actually
president.
starting?
Wait, I don't think you were
Is your
here
board
for the last meeting.
squad
What?
meeting before we
That's
have to
because
vote?
I had a test. Thank you. I'm building.
I have a lab due in an hour and 45 minutes.
That's your fault.
Yes, it is.
Anyway.
Um,
Yeah, we're through 2 questions.